Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to the Vallarta mud turtle. This was definitely the highlight of our trip to Mexico. This is one of the rarest turtles in the world. There's only been several hundred of these ever found. They live in a very small range in Mexico, and they've lost a lot of habitat. They've been collected for the pet trade. Populations are just facing a lot of threats. It was great that we were able to find 3 of these, and 2 of them were gravid, so that's awesome. They had a couple of eggs each, so hopefully they can lay them and they hatch and they can continue on with the next generation, and we can find some way to protect this really cool little turtle.